This is the team event. Team Canada is winning Team Belgium 2-0. This is the normal serve. It's an illegal serve. Edward Li will hide his serve after this. Martin Belgium is winning 6-1, so he has a higher chance to win. Now, Edward Ly Team Canada will use a dirty trick in table tennis. He uses a hidden serve, so difficult to read spin. Now, he will use the hidden serve again. He knows that, each time he serves like this, he win the point. The umpire does nothing, so just profit. Martin complains of the illegal serve. But umpire says nothing. He ignored the request.
I don't see nothing. I really don't see nothing. This is three times in a row now. So you play.
This is the big problem in table tennis. Pro players often use hidden serve in table tennis. We don't have the TTR. TTR is used only on the big matches.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.